It's my generation. We were brought up like that. Didn't think we were worthy.
Ka tau ki runga ki te mata o tēnei tangata ki a putaora i ki te whai au. Hei te ao.
He oranga hou mō John-Robert Crofts, ia e whiwhi mataorana.
Haumi e, hei e, tai e.
I decided that I'm good enough. And that's what we all got, I think. We're Māori. It's time to come back out to our Māori.
Nō te mutunga wiki I tū te Mokopapa tuatahi o Ngāi Tūāhuriri ki te marae o tuahiwi. Whai muri tētahi hautapu e tohu ana I te tau hou Māori, ko Crofts te kaiwhiwhi tuatahi o ngā kaiwhiwhi e rua tekau māwhā ki te eke ki te tēpu.
I feel alive. For the first time in a long time, I feel alive. I got 21 again, ready to go again.
I didn't know whether it would hurt.
Kia Susie Clark. Aha koa e rua noi ho ngā rā I mua I tana whiwhikaua e ka whakatauia, he whakatau hohonu nā te mea ko ia te aitanga tuatahi o tōna rarangi priti mō ngā reanga e ono e whitu ki te mau kauai.
I was having a catch up with Lizzie for some other kaupapa and I mentioned that I'd been thinking about it and she says, right, stop thinking, that's it. The time is now, the time is right. I absolutely felt Tōaraha with me, who's been such a pivotal person in my life because I can't be at Tuahiwi without feeling that she's here with us.
I think it's momentous for someone of my mother's generation as well, who were really clearly taught that being Māori was negative.
Nau mai ki te ao mara mai.
A whai muri ia ka whiwhi tōna ake toto a Amber Clark I tōna kauai e whakaora anō I tētahi tikanga I ngaro I tō rātou whānau.
How lucky am I that I am able to receive moko kauai in the same time as my mother, and it's just another kind of re-indigenisation, reclamation or a way of expressing ourselves. Pura Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.